Hare Krishna. विषैर अन्न खायले मलिन है मन, मलिन मन हैले नाय कब करे कबीर स्मरण. If one eats the food of a materialist, one's mind becomes polluted. When the mind becomes polluted, one cannot remember Krishna. This is from Chaitanya Charitamrita, Antya 6.278. When I accept the elaborate energy of a materialist, then the poison of his mind comes with his energy, with his mind, and all these things. The energy comes carrying the mentality of the owner. To accept that means to digest that. But one who is able to digest it can utilize it. Vishay Vishay Visham Oshadam. Poison is medicine to poison. Poison can also be utilized as medicine. The It is said that the divine agent can utilize poisonous nectar. I again repeat it. The divine agent can utilize poison as nectar. Otherwise, it will kill the person who is taking the energy of the materialist. Only Madhukari Bhiksha, collecting from a particular person, will take away his sin or virtue. Anything that comes with his energy is transmuted. We are feeding on him, exploiting him, and that exploitation must have a reaction. Madhukara. Just as bees collect every particle of honey from here and there, they do not care so much. They do not look to get any return for that. A small particular, perhaps it does not matter. If we collect our food in that way, then there's no possibility of some reaction coming. Madhukari Bhiksha has been recommended for the Tyagis, but we collect their energy as much as we can utilized. So Madhukari is an old term used in Braj. If you may want to know it, they call it as Madhukari Bhiksha, like begging food home to home from people. Now there is a rule for that mendicant. The person who begs is a mendicant. There's a rule for him to beg the food. When he begs the food, it has to be a service to the Lord, not an exploitation. Otherwise, it becomes a karma, and the person who begs suffers more than the one who donates, and the one who donates food is also suffering. So, both they get into bondage. So, anything that comes with his energy is transmitted. We are feeding on him, exploiting him, and that exploitation must have a reaction. Madhukar, as bees collect every particle of honey from here and there, they do not care much. They do not look to get any return for that. Small particle, perhaps it does not matter. If we collect our food in that way, then there's no possibility of any reaction coming. Madhukari Bhiksha has been recommended for the Tyagis, but we collect the energy as much as we can, utilize it, and our aim is a little different. We want to help them and not collect it for a personal purpose. It is for the general service of the Lord and his devotees. In an organic way we can help them, but we'll use the energy from impure sources and by hook or by crook utilize that in the fire sacrifice that is lit in a grand way for the satisfaction of Krishna and his activity. What is that activity? The chanting of his name on a big scale. Shri Kirtan Yajna, a great sacrificial attempt has been accepted, and so we collect for that. And because I also serve, I may take something for the purpose of service to maintain my health and whatever is necessary. So we are not taking any food for personal utilization. We do not feel any contamination. If one collects another's energy for his own selfish purpose, then he will suffer. But if he can utilize the energy of someone for the service of Krishna in the congregational chanting of his name to purify the whole world, then there is no apprehension of being contaminated by that energy. Whatever we receive, we should think it is from our spiritual master. So I'm eating What am I eating? I'm eating the remnants of my Gurudeva. That way, I'm doing some service, and as a servant, entitled to take some remains. In fact, a person must be only surviving on the remnants of Guru and Krishna. It is said so. And in this way, the purification starts, and then there is no binding on the binding due to the karmas. So no exploitation, no karma, and all exploitation, and then only the karmic bondage. So that was about the Prashad Mahima. Hari Bol.